Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the specifications of your HP 255. So the most basic way to do so is to check the Start menu, Settings. From here you have to go to System on the sidebar and scroll down all the way to About section, where you can find the device specifications. Right here at the top you also have the tiles with hardware elements info, and below we also have the Windows specifications. Besides, you can also open the task manager and find the same info here, more related to your device's hardware. To do so, right click the taskbar, open task manager, then go to performance section here, and here you'll find tabs like CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, and GPU. And in each of these tabs you'll find some info about the selected hardware element. And the last way to check your device's specifications is by running the HP Support Assistant app that you can easily download from the HP Support website. It's a one-click installation app. You just need to find the HP Support website and click download. Next to HP Support Assistant 9, it is as it is today's version. In your case, it might be a newer one. Then you have to continue as guest and click on device specifications underneath your laptop's photo. And here on this page you can find all the specifications for your laptop. So that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.